Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset on your headphones Soundcore A25i. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, and after that press and hold both of touch buttons on your headphones at least 8 seconds, until you can see that LED light it start flashing red right here on your headphones. 3 times. Here we go. Now, remove your headphones from the charging case and click on it. Forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device and then click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!